Hello guys. In this video you will learn how to set up frequently bought together WooCommerce in a few clicks on your WooCommerce website. You can see the main product and additional products, WooCommerce Buy Together section. If the customer clicks Buy Together, all products will add to the cart with a discount. Let's see how to do this. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Under Plugins, go to the Add New Plugin option, search for LavBoost. Here you can see our frequently bought together plugin. Install this plugin. After installing, activate. Bought Together WooCommerce settings appeared and tab LavBoost, then Bundle. We have store for PMU and microblading with products in categories, accessories, cartridges, ink and pigments, PMU machine, power supply, practice skin. Also we have products with tags, accessories, inks, services, technical, tools. And now, we need to set up frequently bought together WooCommerce products. Go to tab LavBoost, then Bundle. Now we need to display WooCommerce Buy Together. Enable Bundle on single product page. Set up our frequently bought together products. Choose main product and additional products. Put our custom title for frequently bought together WooCommerce plugin section. That's it. Now, let's check it. Here is WooCommerce Buy Together section, and by clicking on the button all products are added to the cart with a discount. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.